the whole thing, right?
Yeah. Hurry, get the thing. Dude, better shoot that fucker. Hurry up. Shoot the can. He knocked it in.
That's gonna blow up.
Oh well, you saw the can.
I'm out of here.
Let's go pick it up. Why didn't it go in? What's that, dude?
Yeah.
That's A. That's why we don't use the can. Come on, hit the can.
Huh?
Hit the can.
The can's in there. That's going up blow up.
Yep. Oh, dude, this is big time. What's gonna fly?
I know.
I hear it.
Yeah, when I hit it. You hear it?
Kind of on your foot.
When I hit it, it's put a hole. Yeah. They put a hole in that can. Not fun.
There's a hole in it. Hey.
Dude, look at that thing. We gotta fix that now, dude. Look at it, it's all. Cops are like, what were you boys doing? Come out of here.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we tried shooting a spray paint can Rust-Oleum blue with a BB gun, and that failed. You just saw what happened.
Gotta put that out, dude. I put it out and go in.
It's fine, we got the lid. It worked good.
Let's rewind it and check it out.
Peace out.